Understanding Safety Off, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the phrase, safety off. This is a commonly used idiom that might not be immediately clear to non-native speakers, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it like a pro. Let's unravel the meaning together. When we look at safety off, literally, it comes from the context of firearms. A safety mechanism on a gun is used to prevent it from firing accidentally. When the safety is off, the gun is ready to fire. This literal understanding is key to grasping the metaphorical use of the phrase. In everyday speech, safety off is often used metaphorically to indicate that someone is taking a risk, being bold, or removing restrictions. It's as if they're saying, "I'm ready to go full force, without holding back." Let's look at some examples. In a business meeting, someone might say, "Let's take the safety off and pitch our most daring idea." During a football game, a commentator could say, "The team has taken the safety off in this second half, attacking with full force." Remember, this phrase should be used carefully as it can imply aggressiveness or recklessness. It's perfect for situations where boldness is admired but might be inappropriate in a context requiring caution or sensitivity. And there you have it, folks. Safety off is all about being daring and unrestrained. We hope this video has armed you with the knowledge to use this phrase confidently. Until next time, keep learning and never take your curiosity's safety off.